Hey, Paul again. We're out here in New Canaan, Connecticut. We got a call from a customer who said that their gutter drains and downspouts are backing up water all over the place. So what we're going to do is high pressure water jet them, video camera inspect them, find out where they go, and get this customer back to doing business. Okay, we jetted out that line and we found where it went. It went right at the bottom of this foundation wall right here. As you can see, it's a 4-inch clay tile line. We're able to get all that stuff out of there, get it flown, get it working. We did also find another outside drain, which we talked to the customer about maintaining, that goes to her footings. We're going to show you where that pipe is as well. Okay, we jetted out the footing drain line that discharged from right here. We were able to video camera inspect and locate where this is the outgoing line was, and the line's good to go. When you have a footing drain issue, when you have a storm drain issue, whatever it may be, you can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.